Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson. I am a high performance real estate and investment coach. I'm also the owner of Blackstone Asset Recovery. Been doing real estate and asset recovery transactions for a really long time now. But just wanted to make a quick video for you guys and show you how to create your own private investigator contracts when the states haven't provided them for you. As you guys have probably already found out by now, if you've been contacting any of the municipalities, any of the states, any of the unclaimed money departments, any of the cities you guys live in, you'll probably figure out pretty quickly that a lot of these ladies that work in these departments, they don't want to give you any information that they don't have to. They're not lawyers or attorneys or tax professionals, and they will tell you that right out of the gate too. So if you call in and say, hey, look, I'm going to build an agreement, and I was wondering if I have this clause in here, would that work? They're just going to tell you no. So you aren't going to get very far. As far as building the contract goes, most of the time, they will want it to be neck and neck with some sort of legislator that's already in place with the state. So most of the states are pretty similar when it comes to what they require you to have on paper as far as the signatures go between you and the claimant and all the other data that makes the contract legally binding. So I'll just show you real quick the state of Wisconsin, for instance. So this is the legislator. This is going to give you the outline on how your paperwork needs to be written up in order for everything to look good with the state, so they will cut a check to the claimant so you can get paid. All right, so for instance, this is what my paperwork looks like. I use this when I'm doing deals in the state of Wisconsin, along with a few other ones. But pretty much at the very top, it just has my company logo here. It also has my company information. I did change it. I don't know who might be watching these videos or whatnot, so I didn't want anybody just to show up randomly at my office or anything. But right below that, it just says representation agreement to locate funds in accordance with the state legislator 177.35. In the description of this video, I will leave a link so you guys can go and take a look at it all by yourself. Okay, now the property ID, that's just going to be the state funds account ID number that's attached to whatever check is sitting dormant. Okay, so what I usually do, let's just say that the check ID is 897654321. Let's say that's the check number. What I'll do in parentheses is I will, let's say the claimant has $7,634.32. Yeah, right. Boom. Bingo. That's a good number right there. Let's just say that that's how much you're going to be able to collect. That's the account number, the name of the claimant. Let's just say Joe Smith. 1, 2, 3. That's bad. 1, 2, 3. Sunshine Ave. Let's just use my home state, Boise, Idaho. 83714. Okay, now the claimant social and their tax ID. Again, I usually never get that information from them. I just coach the notary to get that. And so I have a certain way that it's just one less red flag, but you're just going to put their social right there. You're going to put their driver's license right there, and then you're going to put their contact information right in this area. Make sure that for their home address, you have their current mailing address. So when the state does cut the check, it goes there and not to some other address or the address that's from the account that you're working. Okay, right below here, I just say that I'm going to take 20% and I list out all the accounts. Like I said in previous videos, what I always suggest people doing is going to do a secondary search on each individual to see if they have any other accounts that can be collected on, because it's always better if you're going to be doing this to get all of them at one time and make more money. It just makes sense, right? The claimant signature goes here. Your signature will just go right here, and then this is just where the notary will sign. So this is my paperwork. I use it in a lot of states that don't provide it to me originally, and it works just fine. If any of you guys want this at all, I can just literally email it to you. Just direct message me and I'll get that over to you as soon as I can. Other than that, if you guys found any value with this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and catch you next time. Take care.